Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to withdraw from Tapswap. So if you want to withdraw from Tapswap all those coins and rewards that you have earned, so what you can do so by connecting or by sending it to a trusted Solana wallet like a trusted any other wallets, a Solana wallet or Binance or any other wallets or Phantom, any such wallets. So to do that, what you can do, open up the Tapswap bot. So go to your Telegram and open up the bot, and then search for it and open it up. Click on start. So get back to the launch the Tapswap bot. So when you get to the Tapswap bot here, so once this loads, once you have launched the Tapswap bot, so now go to this task option here. Go to the task option and click on to connect to a wallet. So click that option, connect to a wallet. So for here I have Binance here, so I can connect to my Binance. So what you're going to do, you're going to hit on start mission. So once you hit on start mission, it's going to ask you some information here. So hit on this go option. Okay, once you hit on this go option, so what happens, this will open up your Binance or any other wallet that you wish to connect. So it will open up that. So you only need to give some verification. You need to give some permissions to access your wallet and log in those wallets and then connect it. So once I've connected here, and then that's it, your coins, you can send your rewards, your earnings to your wallets, and from there you'll be able to withdraw or use it for trading and other purposes. So that's how you can withdraw from the Tapswap rewards. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.